So this application that I'm using is called Scribd, and I really like it because it allows you to pull up the book that you're reading on your computer or on your smart boards or on your projector so that your students can see it and they can be really engaged. So this is a really great tool to use. And this book is called Stars, Stars, Stars by Bob Barner. This is how you just flip through the pages of the book here. And then at the top up here, it has the display settings. I like the night settings theme just because it's easier to see for me. And there's two other ones. There's also, you can change the direction of the book if you want to scroll down instead of scrolling across. Stars, stars, stars. I want to see the planets and stars. Bright stars twinkling by, big city lights. Distant planets glowing over big country nights. Constellations that take shape when I connect them with lines. Milky Way stars shining 200 billion times. The sun that burns with golden light. Hot planet Mercury turning slowly in the night. Venus, the evening star, first planet to shine in the twilight sky. Blue-green Earth with the dusty moon orbiting by. I like this application a lot because it allows your students to be interactive and they can name the planets as you're going through. They can point to them and you can really use this application to draw pictures while you're going through the book. And it's just a great technology tool to use during teaching a lesson. So this is Scribd.